Welcome to my bathroom. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a delightful and nourishing dish, protein overnight oats, which I have been making since I was 38 years old after having 2 C-sections. This is my go-to breakfast that helped me achieve these abs. This is one of my absolute favorites. It's packed with protein, fiber, plenty of flavor. It's an excellent choice for busy mornings when you want something both convenient and wholesome. So let's begin. You will need food scale, mason jar, quick oats, whey protein, nut butter powder, water, blueberries. Begin by placing the mason jar onto the food scale. Make sure it's zero out. Then you're going to do a 1/4 cup of oats, a scoop of protein, a tablespoon of nut butter, 4 ounces of water, 2 ounces of blueberries or any fruit you prefer. Start by mixing it all in, and then you're going to cover it. Put it in a refrigerator, and you can eat it cold or warm it up in the morning. Enjoy.